in order to draw a plan view. So first you're drawing the plan view. So you're going to take all of these up, that this object changes direction, gets transferred up. My brain's not necessarily even thinking right now about the shape of this object. Okay, I have a thing in the front, a thing in the back. I've got a solid line here that tells me that this thing is in the front. This and this relate, this and this relate. Okay, I'm going to start with the thing in the back first. And the thing in the back has a top, then it has a slope. It is that thick, it has that, and then it has a slope. So that's where it changes directions. Thing in the front touches the ground right here. Its depth is from here. You see a line that goes all the way across, but from here to here. And it changes direction here. Do you have an erasing shield? Yes. So pause right there, because on your camera, because that is up, slide down the slide, and then jump off the end. Okay, because it's the end is this distance off the ground. The short thing, I have to climb up to here, and then I'm going to slide all the way down this way, and then I make contact with the ground. Okay, so this surface on the top is that. This sort of diagonal is this. So this is what this object looks like. Each one has a flat surface and a diagonal. Flat surface, diagonal, but the diagonal doesn't touch the ground. Understood? Mm-hmm. The reason I know the diagonal doesn't touch the ground because I can see that there's a dash thing here. That means this thing is only this skinny. Okay, it continues to the ground right here. And this horizontal tells me that if it went to the ground, that horizontal would not be there, but it doesn't. It stops right there, and then it goes vertical. So I've analyzed my side view, and that's what I get in my plan view. Because this is a full section, full cutting line, it doesn't really touch the object here. It only touches here, from here to here. So I'm going to take that point, which is very close. It's not quite aligned, but I'm going to take that line up and say, okay, it's slicing across and it's looking down. So it only makes contact. If I call this one A and B, which one does it make contact with? A? Only?
No. Yes.
Really?
Wait, really?
Yeah, because B is shorter.
Yeah.
Yep, B is shorter. So it only touches A.
I'm
You're only
sorry,
taking part of the top off.
So that means I don't see that flat thing anymore,
So
right?
just
I
move
don't
the
see
line
that
over.
surface. Yeah, I have to erase this one.
And then hatch it.
Yep. And my hatching is going to start and stop. Now, Chloe's pencil is a unleaded pencil, but I'm going to try to do a heavyweight. Yeah, you got a 0.3? Yep. Great. This is how I do hatching really fast, because you have to keep the space even. I'm going to put a teeny tiny piece of masking tape. Some of your rulers might actually have, set squares might have this sort of beveled edge line. I'm going to use that as a spacer. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to, if I can, draw, oh, I have to start on the bottom. Draw a line, sorry, do this.
And use your masking tape as like your trick slip.
Yep. So I draw a line, I move the set square so my masking tape lines up with that line. Draw another line, move the set square where the masking tape lines up, keep drawing. So now I can get nice even spacing. This is a shortcut to hatching, because otherwise hatching will take you forever if you had to measure the distance all the time. That's what it looks like. Now, if I want to clean up the rest of the object and lighten some of the lines, use your erasing pouch. Just make sure that the rest of the object, i.e. B, which is below, is 0.5.
Oh.
So,
Oh, you mean for the inside
Mhm.
lines? But then the outside is 0.7, right?
no, sorry, you're getting confused. So what's 0.7 is
Oh, it was
this?
only the outside of where you cut
Yeah,
it away.
do you have an erasing pouch? Thanks. It's really hard to do it with a... I'm going to lighten everything right now. Okay, and this is 0.3. This is... Here's my 0.5. Thank you. Yeah, no, that's good. I hate using my hands. Okay, so the only thing... I know it's past time.
No, I have to get going.
That's true, of course. You have a
Yeah, I
meeting.
have to go.
It's okay. I think Stacia will put up...
Can someone put this in the Dropbox?
Oh, mine may not be the best
anyone?
because every once in a while when she moves something, I put my phone down, but I can.
Well, this sheet will be up here, so you can tell. But
Okay.
essentially, this is what the object looks like. Right? And then I'm just going to do 0.3 on all of the hatching. 0.3, 0.7, 0.5.
Oh, okay.
And I can see this line continue, and I can see this line continue. That's what that object looks
Okay.
like. Do you want me to do this one?
So really, you're just like I had thought that you